Hello Year 7. So today we're going to take all of our Python knowledge and we're going to make a little program out of it. And what I thought we could do is we could make a little heads or tails simulator. So the idea where we're going to toss a coin and that random chance happens it lands on either heads or tails. So this might be the perfect program if you've got an argument to settle but you haven't got a coin handy but you have got a computer. So we're going to make that today using all the code knowledge we've got. Got my friend here, Positivity. Just to help me along the way, because a bit of positivity goes a long way when it comes to programming. I've loaded up idle, so this is my output box. When I run my program on the right hand side, that's where we'll see the program happen. And I've got my new blank box here, so I'll start on File, New, and I've got a blank box where I'm going to write my program now. Okay, so let's get cracking with that. So first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to import random, because when you load idle, not all of the functions of Python are loaded in. To save processing time and to save memory, it loads only the very basic functions, and you have to import extra ones. And because I know I'm going to have to use random, I need to import it first. So first job, import the random module. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list. So if you think back to our previous lesson on lists, there are three parts of a list. The first part is thinking about the name of the list. Then you've got the assignment operator, and then you've got that square brackets that really let you know that it's a list. So let's do that. So we're going to make, I'm going to make a list called coin. It's got a capital C, it doesn't have to, but it does. And I've got two options. So in my square brackets, I'm going to have one that says heads, and I'm going to have one that says tails. You'll notice that both of them have gone into speech marks. Awesome, so I've got heads and I've got tails, and then I can close my brackets. Then what I want to do is I'm going to simply print. Now here's where we're going to combine all the things we've done so far. We want to print a random choice from the list. So I'm going to say random dot choice, and then open another set of brackets from coin. So that command there says I'm going to make a random choice from the list called coin. And you notice I've got an open bracket here and I've got an open bracket here, so I've got two sets of open brackets, so I've got to close both. Let's run it and see if it works. So we're going to have to go run module. I'm going to save it. So let's just save it as coin. And then we get heads. Let's run it a few times, make sure it's random. Yep, heads, tails. One thing I've noticed, I've got a capital H missing from heads. Let's keep running it. Need to save it again. Yep, perfect. But there you go, guys. We've got a random heads or tails coin in Python in 3 lines of code. Have a go at doing it yourself. You can screenshot or you can submit your code. Hope you're all safe, guys, and I'll see you all soon.